What other measures can I take to prevent freezing besides using faucet drip rate?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to prevent your pipes from freezing. While you may already know about the faucet drip method, there are other measures you can take to prevent freezing. Let's explore these solutions and ensure your pipes remain safe and operational even in the coldest weather.
What's the big deal about frozen pipes?
The first thing to understand is why we need to prevent our pipes from freezing. When water freezes, it expands. This expansion can lead to pressure buildup inside the pipes, potentially causing them to burst. A burst pipe can lead to significant water damage and expensive repairs, which is why prevention is key.
Proper insulation is your friend.
One of the most effective ways to prevent pipe freezing is proper insulation. Insulate your pipes, particularly those exposed to cold air or in unheated areas like basements, crawl spaces, and garages. You can use foam pipe insulation, which is readily available in home improvement stores. Remember, the cost of insulating your pipes is far less than dealing with a burst pipe.
Sealing leaks and drafts.
Make sure to seal leaks that allow cold air inside near where pipes are located. Check for air leaks around electrical wiring, dryer vents, and pipes. Use caulk or insulation to keep the cold air out and the warm air in.
Keep the heat on.
Even when you're away from home or during the night, don't let the temperature drop too low. The thermostat should never be set below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius. The warm temperature helps to prevent the pipes from freezing.
Open cabinet doors.
During extremely cold weather, open cabinet doors under sinks adjacent to outside walls. This allows heat from the rest of the house to circulate and warm the pipes under the sink.
Use heating tapes.
For pipes that are easily accessible, you can use electric heating tapes. They work like electric blankets for pipes, supplying heat directly to the pipe to keep it from freezing. Just remember to use these products with caution and follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid fires. And there you have it. Besides using faucet drip rate, these are some of the most effective ways to prevent your pipes from freezing. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By taking these steps, you can save yourself a lot of hassle and money down the line. Stay warm and keep those pipes flowing.